Morning, everyone. Beginning of a new week. It's Monday and it's sunny. I think it might actually have a little humidity today, but again, surprise, surprise, it is supposed to rain again. So we are at this house. We're doing a liner change. So old liner, all of the overgrown lilies and root structure is out. It's been cleaned. I recut it roughly, and they're bringing in some topsoil, so I'm going to dress the edges, level it since it's such a messy material, and then we're going to get this new liner in. It's already cut, underlayment's cut. We're going to get laid and get going. All right, so here's our skimmer. Doesn't look too bad, except all of the bolts had literally rotted away there. Give you a close-up view. So we got all new bolts to replace that, and we're gonna get the skimmer reset and rebolted on. The bigger issue is back here. So if I show you this biofalls, and I'll give you a look, why yes, that is leaning. Not only is that leaning, that is a severe lean. And it's such a severe lean that when we looked inside, the pipe is kinked and pushed at an angle. So it's probably leaking back there on the bulkhead, as well as all the bolts here completely rotted away. I think we had a total of 4 that were still existing. The rest didn't even exist. So gonna start down there, and then one of the guys will work up here on re-leveling this, see if we can get that back end cleaned out, re-secure the bulkhead, silicone it back in. We're gonna have to tap in some new screws and get rocking. So this is my play area today. Unfortunately, we have a machine, can't use it much, but also not a ton of boulders at this job. A lot of small stuff, but we're gonna get going. I'm gonna start cleaning this up. All right, got the lower shelf and the middle shelf cut. The guys are cleaning it up. We brought in some topsoil to make nice clean edges. It will end up looking nicer than it was before we got here, which is our ultimate goal. All right, so underlayment's in, the liner is in, and I would have to say it's the easiest one we put in. Would you agree? It was finally figured out and mastered to get it the right way, so by the time it came out here, it was just unrolling a burrito. We're gonna get some gravel in this and start rocking this out. So it doesn't look like it's end of day 2, but it's sunny at the moment, but we had torrential downpours for the past hour, maybe a little less. So we pulled off, and at that point everyone was so wet we called it quits. They're wrapped up, so we got her material back in here to re-rock this out. We've got to attach the skimmer, the biofalls, do a little bit of edge treatment, gravel, and get it back up and running. So we're working here tomorrow. We will be done with this because then we've got a couple little things to do, and then I'm off to Alaska. Yep, Alaska. Unfortunately, it's to see family. Someone passed away, so we're going to Alaska as a family, but Had to get this done because her fish are in there and we got to get them saved.